Some recipes are more than food. They carry tradition, memories, and the warmth of home. Today, I'm going to show how I make Annavaram Prasadam. Namaste. Welcome to Stories from Amma's Kitchen. Here are the ingredients we need for Annavaram Prasadam. First, take 1 cup of Bansi ravva and dry roast it. Once it is roasted, take it out and keep it aside. In the same kadai, add 3 cups of water and let it boil well. Once the water has boiled well, add the roasted ravva back into the boiling water. Let the ravva cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the ravva has cooked well, add 1 cup of sugar and cook for about 2 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of jaggery and mix it well. Now add 3/4 cup of cow ghee. Do not saute, cover and cook. After about 3 minutes, add a small pinch of alum, 6 cardamoms and a pea-sized amount of nutmeg powder. Mix everything well. Cook this mixture until the consistency gets like a string. Now turn off the heat and serve it onto the Vistiraku and pack. After some time, our traditional Annavaram Prasadam is finally ready.